Hello everyone. So good to be back with another hosted by Emulet Hackathon after our almost 2 weekend hiatus. We can technically say that this is the first hackathon of the new year. So glad to have all of you here. And this is Hack Fit 2. So glad to have all of you here. I am Manya. I am a coach at Major League Hacking. And you can reach out to me for whatever you want or need this weekend. Right now, what you're at is hosted by Emulet Hackathon. And we host these every single weekend to make sure that you always have a hackathon to attend, except the weekends when we're running Global Hack Week, where we want all of you to attend Global Hack Week. We are actually so excited to have you. Each of our events have a theme, but make sure that these themes are only for an inspiration. So there is no hard and fast rule for you to absolutely follow them. If right now you're joining from the NA or EU region, we will actually be hosting another NA time zone friendly hosted by Emulet Hackathon very shortly. It's called Civic Hacks, so make sure to join for the opening ceremony for that at 7 p.m. ET. And if you're joining us from the APAC region, welcome to HackFit 2. This is all about building hacks that are around health, wellness, and fitness. So make sure to build your favorite hacks around these themes. And even if you don't want to follow the theme, that's completely okay. You can build non-theme related hacks, though we always love to see hacks that are focused around the theme. So starting from right now, you will find some emulator active throughout the weekend. If you need to reach out to us on Discord, make sure to tag us at active emulators and one of us will reach out and help you. So you can come to us with literally anything, questions, concerns. If you want to just chat, get feedback on your projects, just come to us. So this weekend, your emulators are Alberto, JFK, Ajit, and myself, Manya. So first, let's talk about the emulets that you see on the corner. What is Major League Hacking? Well, we are a global hacker community and we have over 500,000 hackers just like all of you. And we keep getting more hackers with all the events we're doing. And we're so glad that our community is constantly growing. You also win community points by joining our events, depending on the college that you go to or the school that you go to. We give you community points on member events, global hack weeks, and hosted by Emulet hackathons like the one you're at right now. Make sure to join us for our next Global Hack Week. And I'm so excited for the theme that we have for the next Global Hack Week. Can't wait for all the technical streams and fun events we're going to have then. So make sure to register through the link that you see on the screen. Well, now let's talk about what's happening at HackFit 2. Well, the next 48 hours have a lot of activities coming up for you. We use this time to hack, learn, share, and make new friends, right? So we have fun mini events for you where you can relax and have fun, and there is no coding or competition going on there. We first start with having an event that's going to start at 9:30 p.m. IST, that's very soon, called What's in the Box. This mini event is going to happen on Discord, so make sure to tune in there and I will explain all the rules to all of you. After that, tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. IST, we will be doing Name That Thing. I'm quite excited for all of you to participate in that. Remember, this will also take place on Discord. And then finally, at 7 p.m. IST, we will be doing a cybersecurity challenge by Sneak. I'll walk you through all these events, so don't know if you don't know about any of them beforehand. But obviously, you are concerned about how you can get to know other hackers this weekend. Apart from making teams with them, well, you have the Hacker Hangout session, which is going to happen tomorrow at 10:30 p.m. IST. Speaking of Discord, what else should you know? Because I've mentioned Discord a number of times. Well, all hosted by Emulet hackathons actually take place on the Emulet community Discord. And if you still don't know what I'm talking about, Discord is a server and you can join us here by clicking on discord.emulet.io. So make sure that you first head into the check-in channel of the event that you're trying to participate in, follow all the rules that are written there, and then you'll be able to see all the different channels. Let us know that you're here, that you've checked in, and we can send you a swag. Register to the event by heading to hackpack/hackfit2 and then check into the event by going to hackpack/hackfit2 check-in. After that, just the last thing that you need to do on your end to make sure that you get the swag for this weekend is update your address at hackpack/address. If you've hacked with us before and if you're using the same email, same DevPost accounts, you don't need to worry about this if you already have your updated address. So let's talk about the tools that you have for you this weekend. Well, first of all, you have free domain names from GoDaddy Registry. So you can use the weekend code that you see on your screen. Similarly, you can also see this weekend code in the frequent questions channel on Discord. So the person who uses the best domain name and uses it in a good way gets a prize from GoDaddy Registry. So make sure to head on to tech.study and get your free domain right now. After that, we have a product from Cohere. And if you use Cohere to create products with NLP in it, you have a chance of winning the best use of NLP with Cohere, and you win an Arduino starter kit, which is just so cool. Moving on, Avant is actually sponsoring the best sustainability hack for us. And if you just make a hack that cares about the environment and is sustainable, you have a chance to win an awesome Lego set. Moving on, if you've heard of AppWrite, it's used to build backend APIs. And if you use that to create your hackathon project, you get a chance to win the best use of AppWrite and win an Inspire 2 tracker along with it, which is so cool. Last but not the least tool that you have for you this weekend is Velo by Wix. It's used to create full stack applications without actually doing much code. You get a chance to win a Wacom drawing tablet for the best submission made using Velo by Wix. While you're making the submission, please don't forget to share screenshots of the dashboard and the terminal that you're using so that we know that you're actually using Velo. These is a roundup of all the sponsor prices. I'm personally really excited to see the sustainable hacks that we're going to get this weekend. I can't wait to judge them already. Well, this is not it. You can also earn more prizes this weekend. We have the healthiest hack prize category for the most on-theme hack that you build this weekend. So this is where the theme comes into play. If you actually build a hack that's super on theme, you have a good chance on this prize category. And my most favorite hackathon is my most favorite prize category is my first workout, which we give to beginner hacker teams. So if your team is comprised of at least 50% new hackers, you have a chance of winning in this prize category. Okay. Moving on, you also have 3 overall prizes, and on Hacker Demand, we've also changed the prices that you get for the overall categories. This weekend, I can't wait to see who wins the healthiest hack prize. So let's talk about what else is happening this weekend. Well, we have a lot of starter kits for you in case you're new to hackathons or want to try new technology but don't know how to get started. So head out to hackpack/learn and get a look at how to use all these different technologies. I also want to tell you about the MLH Fellowship Program, which is conducted for 12 weeks, and fellows get a chance to work on different projects, whether they are open sourced or closed sourced, and sometimes they also get to just brush up on their skills, which are not just technical but are also soft skills. The overall winners of this hackathon get a fast-tracked interview for the fellowship if they choose to apply. So I'm excited about that and seeing the fellows more interested in this program, because I did this program about 2 years ago, and I truly say that it's been a pivotal point in my career so far. So make sure to apply for it. The link's on your screen. So now anything else that you need to know that you have a good time at the hackathon this weekend and then you make a good submission, well, just make sure to submit a demo. And if you submit a demo, if you show off your hack, we send all of you a customized iDemo sticker for the event. So every weekend we have a different customized sticker for every weekend. So you can collect them all sort of and see all the different hackathons where you've actually made submissions. These are real projects that you've demoed. And please make sure to show off your projects regardless of the progress you've made. We are really interested in seeing all the work that you've done in the next 48 hours. So how do you actually create a great demo? Do we want fancy animations, great audio editing? What is it that we're looking for? Well, make sure to include a 2-minute video demo. Show us what you've built and not just a bunch of slides. We'd love to see the prototype that you worked on, what you're trying to achieve, instead of just looking at a bunch of pretty slides. And also make sure to include a public code repo so that we can take a look at the code and try to run it if needed. Finally, don't forget to submit your project by 3:30 p.m. IST on the DevPost link. Don't worry if you miss it right now. It's all there on Discord, so just go there and check it out. Now, moving on a serious note, we love all of you at the hackathon, but we want to make sure that it's a safe space for everyone. So please abide by the code of conduct and the event. And by participating in a hosted by MLH hackathon, you're agreeing to it. If you've not read the code of conduct before, please make sure to go to the link and read it. If at any point of time you find that you're feeling uncomfortable, or if someone behaves in a way which you don't find appropriate, please make sure to reach out to me or any other MLHer on duty, and we will address that matter as soon as possible. If you still cannot reach out to us, you can also send us an email at incidents@mlh.io, or you can give us a call on the phone numbers listed on the link that you see on the screen. And that's all. Let's keep in touch. Have a lot of fun over the weekend. If you have any questions, hit me up. And let everybody know that you're hacking this weekend by making posts using the hashtag HackFit2. You can use this hashtag on Instagram as well as Twitter. So we just want to see how you're hacking, and the whole world should know it, right? My advice for you this weekend is just have fun and team up with new people. It's going to be a lot of fun that way. If you have more questions and concerns, or if you don't know where to begin, I am hosting a Q&A session right now, which is live because I'm live. And let's get into it. I already see that the comments are blowing up today. I see how everyone is saying hi's, and I'm sure everyone has missed this. Hi to meet all of you, everyone who's joining us for the first time. Okay. Yash, I would love to play your latest music, but I don't have it right now. And next time I'm going to keep that in mind and play your music. That is so glad to have first time hackers here. Let's see what questions we have. You can take part solo as well as in teams. That's very true. You don't necessarily need to have a team to participate. And can beginners also take part, or do we need some tech stack? Beginners are absolutely welcome to participate in hackathons. You don't need to have any prerequisite technical knowledge to participate in it. You can definitely build your knowledge while you work on hacks, which I think is the coolest part about hackathons. Like Yash has mentioned here, you can look into some low code or no code options like Wix, which are a great place for beginners to begin as well. But if you want to learn coding, you can try to code your project as well. Yes. Okay. Yes, we have new mini events and new overall prices. Sneak is not your mortal enemy anymore. You've already won it. Stop about it. Okay, it's always beginner friendly. You can ask your doubts in Discords. Yeah, we have mentors helping you out too. So in case you are not able to help figure out something, you can always reach out to the mentors as well. Big question, 10:30 p.m. Shouldn't it be a.m., Manya? If you're talking about the hacker hangout, I think it is 10:30 p.m. tomorrow. Yes, 10:30 a.m. is too early in the morning for us to have a hacker hangout, isn't it? Okay. On Discord, I'm not able to see any channels except for registration issues. Cannot see get started other channels. So you will be able to see a channel called check-in, and once you you click on the required emoticon on it, and once you register and check in, then you shall be able to see all the other channels. I didn't find the check-in for opening ceremony. Oh, there is no check-in link for the opening ceremony. I'm away from Discord for a while. I'll just join here whenever there's a live stream. That's super cool, but you won't be able to get any notifications here. You'll be only able to join for the ceremonies, but if that's okay for you, you can follow the schedule. But all our mini events actually take place on Discord, so then you wouldn't be able to participate in those. Can you send the link again? So don't worry about the links. They are all there in the frequent questions channel that you will find on the community Discord. So under HackFit2, there'll be a channel called frequent questions, and you can just go there and ask you can get all the questions that you would need answers for, mostly because there'll be links, codes, everything that you need for this weekend. And if you still can't get it, you can go to Ask HackFit2 and you can mention @active MLHers. And it will notify all the MLHers who are active right now, and whoever is available will be able to answer your question. So right now at this time it'll be me. In a few hours we're going to have another MLHer hop in and take over. Yes, okay. The check-in link, I can actually repeat it. It's hackp.ac/hackfit2check-in. Yes. No. Yeah, HackFit2check-in. Yeah. Set up your default roles, then go to announcements, react on the emoji, and then you'll get the hack fit. Exactly. Thank you for elaborating it here as well. Just make sure to take the hack fit to channel roles from there so that you can see all the channels required for this weekend. Beginner, word starter kit, yes. I'm getting a message that you do not have permissions to view message history of MLH announcement. Maybe it's because you joined the channel right now, but don't worry, the links are also available in the check-in channel. So once you just go to the check-in channel, you will be able to get all the links from there that you need to register. Yeah, make sure to go take a member role in Become a Member. Yes. All the links, again, like I said, they're all available on the Discord community server. The MLH community server on Discord. If you're not there, you can join the server by going to discord.mlh.io. Yes. There'll be a time limit on when to use the fellowship fast track. I will get back to you, but usually this offer stands for like the next cohort that we're going to start. So yes, but I would still like to confirm this and I'll get back to you on this very shortly. Send the links you mentioned. Okay. All right. It's usually okay. /loan. Okay. I'm trying to. There are a lot of comments today. I'm really happy to see that, by the way, guys. Let's see. Xiaomi bands and Fitbits are awesome. Okay. When is the my schedule says so. I am still going to cross check and see if that's right, but it does sound about right to wait 10:30. That does sound right to me. Let me get back to you all on Discord about this. Okay. And don't worry, you won't miss out on any event, because before any event starts, we send out announcements on Discord to tell you that it's going to happen soon. So if there's any time confusion, it'll get clarified as soon as you have to start the event. Glad to say that you're having a great time here. Welcome to our community and good luck for your first hackathon. Okay, this server is called Major League Hacking Community, right? Yes, exactly. That's what the server is called. If we build on Wix, how will we share our code repo? We usually recommend all of you to, so Wix also, so if you write any scripts on Wix, we usually ask all of you to put those files on a GitHub repo. But specifically, as I said, what we'd like to see are screenshots of your dashboard. They are really important for Velo by Wix submissions. It's a 2-day hackathon. Yes, it ends at 3:30 p.m. IST on Sunday. If you're only seeing registration issue channel where Sajal has pinned the message, you can leave the server and rejoin it. If that works for you, for whoever's not able to join the server, you can try this as well. I checked the pin message. Okay. All right. I see helpers are trying to help other hackers out. That's great to see. What are mini events? Great question. Thank you for that. So basically, we don't want hackathons to just be a space where you come, code, and go. We want you to come here, meet new people, have a little bit of fun, because you're doing so much coding, you're getting stressed over your projects. So these mini events are just a place for you to come play a game with other hackers in the community, get to know more people, and just have fun in general. So these events are not compulsory in any way. If you would just like to take a break from your work and you'd like to have fun and meet people, join us for our mini events. The link for updating the address is hackp.ac/address. Yes, and any other such questions regarding the link, it'll be better answered on the Discord server. You can first also find a lot of answers to your link questions there. Second, if there's any specific link that you still can't find, feel free to just tag us and ask the questions on the Ask channel, and we can reach out to you. Okay, so yeah, what are mini events? We answered this. Can you give a heads up on how to go about it? If I'm going to assume that here we're talking about the hackathon, right? Or Okay, I'm just going to assume right now that this question is about how to get started with the hackathon. Okay. Oh, more details on the theme. So, like I mentioned in the beginning, that the theme that we have is more like a suggestion and a guide. It's something that we like to keep every weekend so that hackers who don't have any particular idea in their head still have a direction that they can work in. But at the same time, it doesn't mean that you have to strictly follow the theme. If we talk about today's theme, it revolves around health, wellness, and fitness. So you can work on any app or any web application or any machine learning model or any other technical submission that you can think of, which involves health, fitness, and wellness. And you can make a submission. We don't have any kinds of restrictions on the kind of projects that you can make. You can make hardware projects, software projects. It's completely up to you. It's a hackathon where we want you to think of new ideas and solve problems your way. We don't have a very defined problem statement because of that, because we think everyone cares about different kinds of problems and they should have the opportunity to solve the problems that you like you care about. To go about it, you can first try to think of an idea, a problem that you'd like to solve, think of the different ways in which you can solve it, and make a team and start to prototype the most important features that sort of showcase the solution for this problem that we're talking about. I hope that makes sense. And how can I get started as a hacker? I hope what I said right now makes sense to you too. I think what is key to having a good time at a hackathon is doing a little bit planning about what you actually intend to do over the weekend. What is a problem that you're trying to solve? What kind of project you want to make? If you just have the vision in mind, if everyone's on the same page, you're going to have a good time making that project. Okay. Talk a lot, ask a lot of questions, no questions that that's actually sums it out perfectly. That is what you do as a hacker over the weekend. Okay, more on the theme. All right. It's about fitness. Okay. Manya, can you see my music in the stream software? Kev said he did upload it. Okay. Can you tell me what it is called? Oh my god, I can. Is it? Wait. Is this? Right? So wait, because this is the Office theme, is there no royalty on it? Or did you create it from scratch on a software? That's pretty cool though. Next time I'm gonna play it when I start a stream and I need music. Can we solve real life problems? Yes. If you can find solutions for it 100%. Okay. Also update. Wait, no, not this. No, stop it, please. Lol. This is the only one I have under your name. I don't see anything else. Sorry. If you can tell me the name of the file, maybe I can find it. Do you have any ideas for hackathon projects? Please, Manya. I love how you all think you can convince me into sharing ideas with you. Maybe you can. Maybe try to convince me over Discord and I'll share a few ideas with you. But that's definitely not happening on stream. You have to put in extra effort and maybe share some of your ideas and then maybe bounce ideas off me, and I might just share more feedback and share ideas. But that's not happening. Update, still not able to see hashtag get started. The channel that you are looking for is actually not called, sorry, let me just confirm the channel name. You are looking for a channel that is called, okay, let's go here and wow, we have a lot of channels on Discord. So it's called #hackfit check-in. That's the one that you're looking for. We'll get copyrighted. I see that. I don't know why that's there. I shouldn't have laid it. Oops. I just hope they don't listen to this stream. Yeah. You can create anything. What is the judgment criteria? So the judgment criteria, you can find it in more details on DevPost. We care about the innovation, the technology used. We also care about how complete it is. And we just care about whether you have had any learnings while you worked on this hack or not. Yeah. So you can just read it on DevPost. It details the whole criteria properly. This is what I remember off the top of my head. What do you suggest about how to make a website? Low code or no code, or building from scratch? A beginner here. I've always avoided hackathons because I do not have experience building websites and I want to learn it. So I would say that our Velo by Wix price category is the best thing for you to aim for. You can use Velo by Wix to actually create proper apps which have like a database and backend using that tool. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to learn how to code, you can use that software. If you're curious, if you want to understand how HTML, CSS work, it might also be cool to look at HTML, CSS templates and try to work with them. But if you don't want to code, I think Velo by Wix is a beautiful solution that can help you create web apps. Manya, I will give an idea to level up on GitHub and trade for an idea of HackFit 2. Sorry, that trade does not work. Wait, there was one. Hello all. Hello, become a member channel. Make sure to go there and first get the member. Get the member role if you don't have that already. Manya, can you see my message in registration issues? Right now, I'm on the stream and I will head to Discord very soon and answer all your queries there. Wix is a great one. Yes. When we submit our hack, how will we tell you our teammates and stuff? That is a beautiful question. So once you start your dev post submission, one person in the team needs to start it. And then you can actually share that submission link. When you start it, it actually tells you invite other team members. You share that link with the rest of your team. All of them also join the project and then you can collectively edit it and all of you are in the project. So make sure that one person starts a project on DevPost, everyone joins it, and then you submit it to the hackathon. Okay. What is a best sustainability hack? It means hacks that work on solving problems of the environment that we face today. So any hacks that works about creating more sustainable solutions so that we waste less resources, we live a more greener life. Okay. Got your problem. This happened. Okay. Heard. Okay, I am lost here. I'm going to move forward. I'm missing a lot of messages. In DevPost, we need to create a project in the end, right? I mean, you can start creating a project early on. The first thing you can do right now is start a submission, invite everyone, start writing a few things that you've thought, like maybe not right now, maybe in a few hours you can start it. But yeah, that's like one of the last things you have to do when you make a submission. Great trades I'm getting here. Not accepting any of them though. My first time, don't feel, I mean, I can understand this is a lot of information, a lot's happening. But the great thing is that when you join Discord, you'll actually like see a flow of how things go. You will get announcements before anything that's happening, and it's a simple flow that you need to follow. You think of an idea, you form a team, you start working on it. If you are stuck, you take help from your mentors, your other peers in the community, from your coaches from MLEdge, and then you record a demo for it and you submit it on DevPost. In between, if you want to take a break and just hang out with other hackers, you can join the mini events. So I understand right now it seems like a lot of information, but just look at one step at a time and it'll feel less overwhelming. Okay, so I am seeing a lot of chat happening here. Do we need to apply through DevPost also? So via DevPost is where you will be making the actual submission. So yes, you have to register via DevPost also, else you won't be able to complete a submission. There is some called MLEdge Charity. It is similar to Humanity, but mainly focuses on giving. Okay, interesting. Great idea there. Let's talk about it more on Discord. This has been great chatting with all of you. I love how interactive we've been on chat today, the number of questions we had, and I'm so glad to see the newcomers that we have. I wish all of you the very best for the hackathon, and I just hope that you're all going to have fun at HackFit 2. Can't wait to meet all of you on our Discord chat and actually start our mini event very soon. So see you all later. Bye-bye.